As we know the placement challenge in industry and how SkillProbe solved this puzzle, moving from degree-based hiring to skill-verified hiring. Now let's show you how SkillProbe actually works for your institute step by step. Every institute wants better placements. Companies want real proof of skills. SkillProbe connects both through a simple, structured process your institute can start in minutes. Whether you're a college, university department, or any institute where campus placements happen, SkillProbe fits perfectly. Let's walk through how it works. Institute onboarding. Getting started is super easy. Your institute simply visits the SkillProbe platform and sign up using basic details like name, email ID, and contact info. And that's it. Your account is created. Once you log in, just complete your institute profile by adding location, streams, etc. and join the free subscription plan. Done! Your institute is officially onboarded. Within minutes, your institute becomes part of a structured, industry-connected placement ecosystem. And don't worry if you ever need help. Our team can set everything up for you as well. Student enrollment. Now let's bring students onto the platform. From the student enrollment section, invites can be sent to students by adding basic details like curriculum, stream, and year. Invitation to students can be done one by one or just by using multiple students' email address at once for a small group. Students receive a registration link instantly. Simple but powerful. Bulk invitation. To invite the entire batch in one go, use the download template feature. Fill in student details, upload the file, and boom! Full batch is onboarded together. And again, in case of any help, our support team can do this for you. The entire student database becomes digitally placement ready without manual tracking. Assessment setup and question bank. Now comes assessment creation. Institute can build assessments using 3 powerful sources. 1. Self-owned questions. Institute faculty can create questions one by one or upload them in bulk. 2. AI-generated questions. Using the job role and difficulty level, AI instantly suggests smart, relevant questions. 3. SME-provided questions. Use industry-designed questions created by subject matter experts who have interviewed hundreds or even thousands of real candidates. You can use them instantly or request customized question sets for specific roles. Mix all 3 to create the perfect assessment. Set details like test duration, difficulty level, question types, MCQ, coding, scenario-based, etc. Assessments can be fixed timing or flexible timing. This ensures your tests match real hiring standards, not just classroom theory. Or simply tell our team your requirement, we'll configure everything for you. Job readiness test events. Now we move to a bigger level. SkillProbe organizes national-level job readiness test events. For example, Job Readiness Test June 2026. These events are created by our team, and institutes on the platform can enroll their students. Just select the event and assign eligible students. And yes, your institute can also create its own test events anytime for internal benchmarking. Your students get standardized, industry-recognized skill validation. Job role selection. Once students receive invite to participate in the event, they can choose from available job roles as per their interest and skill. Even one student can opt for multiple job roles of matching skills. The right group of students are then aligned to the right assessment, accept the invitation, and proceed for assessment. No manual coordination, no last-minute confusion. Everything moves smoothly, and your placement team saves valuable time while ensuring every student gets the right opportunity. Students take the assessment. Students appear for the assessments online from wherever they are. To maintain fairness and credibility, SkillProbe uses AI-powered proctoring that monitors face presence, tab switching, unusual or suspicious movements. This ensures results are trustworthy and reflect genuine student performance, something recruiters truly value. Your institute builds strong assessment credibility that companies can rely on. Result dashboard and skill insights. Once assessments are completed, detailed results become instantly available for both administrators and students. Institutes gain access to powerful insights like student-wise scores, role readiness levels, skill gap analysis, department-wise performance, top performers. These reports can be shared with management and recruiters, making placement discussions more data-driven and transparent. Students also benefit by clearly seeing where they need improvement. They can work on identified skill gap, use the AI-based resume builder to upgrade their professional profile, and re-attempt assessments to improve their readiness. Now, placements are planned using real performance data, not assumptions. Campus hiring event. Now comes the most exciting outcome, placements. You can manage your own campus hiring events on SkillProbe or participate in SkillProbe hosted campus hiring drives. Based on assessment performance, students become eligible for campus hiring events. Companies join, post job roles, and search candidates using skill scores, role readiness, test performance. Then they directly invite shortlisted students for interviews. Your placement team can also create your own hiring drive and invite companies of your choice in just one click. Everything is managed digitally from company participation to student shortlisting. Your students don't just apply blindly. Plus, students also get access to helpful features like self-assessment, mock interview, and an AI-based resume builder to create professional resumes in minutes. Higher shortlists, better offers, stronger placement results for your institute. Amazing, right? And if your institute needs deeper support, we also offer fully managed placement cell services, campus drive planning and execution, recruiter outreach, on-demand mentoring for students. So even institutes with a small placement team can still deliver big opportunities. Enterprise-grade technology. SkillProbe runs on a secure, scalable, enterprise-grade technology stack. With AI powering assessments, proctoring, analytics, multilingual access, and smart resume creation, the system is built for performance, reliability, and future-ready innovation. Subscription model. Getting started is simple. Begin with a free subscription plan. Upgrade anytime with half-yearly or yearly plans, and you can also opt for standalone solution running on your own domain. From sign-up to student onboarding, to assessments, to job readiness validation, to campus hiring, SkillProbe gives your institute a complete, structured, industry-connected placement system. SkillProbe, transforming campuses into skill-first institutions. Visit skillprobe.in and start your campus transformation today.